Can a magician choose just one trick? Can a captain choose a journey? Can an artist choose a painting? Can a teacher choose a lesson? Can a poet choose a verse? Can a warrior choose just one battle? Can an inventor choose an invention? Can a genie choose a wish? Can a magician, captain, artist, teacher, poet, warrior, inventor, genie choose just one goal?
Leo Messi, ya para la posteridad, ¿puedes decirnos cuál es el gol favorito de tu carrera?